Hey gang, this video will go over all the new notes and markings that show up in our song Chorale and Recessional, and at the end it'll also give you a chance to play along on your instrument. If you'd like to skip to that, check the description below for the timestamp to start playing. Let's start by looking at our key signature. If you guys look at the beginning of the song, you'll notice there are no sharps or flats there. What that means for us as saxophone players is that the F sharps we usually play are now natural. If you remember, our F natural fingering is with the top three fingers and then our bottom first finger, and it sounds like this. So anytime we see an F in this song with nothing before it, it's that F natural with the first finger. There are a few times where our F sharp does show up whenever you see that sharp sign. Remember, the sharp sign is the one that kind of looks like a number sign. And the F sharp, whenever we see it with that, is with our second finger, like this. Our first and only new note of the song shows up on the third line of the song in the second measure. That note is our G sharp. G sharp fingering, we start with our first three fingers down like a regular G, and then we take our pinky and push down this top pinky button right here. So here's what a regular G sounds like. And then when I add the top pinky, it becomes a G sharp. And the last new thing that shows up in this song is called a fermata. You can find it at the end of the third line of music. It kind of looks like a curve with a dot above it, and it should be above a half note for all of us. What that means is that note will be held out longer than usual, and usually it'll be up to the director. So Miss Mole and Mr. Bonnell will decide how long it is. What I recommend to help you guys remember these new notes is circle them in your music, and if needed, you can write out the note name, what it looks like, and the fingering in the top of your music so you can look up there as a reference. Now, let's go ahead and try playing through the song.